In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a brochure on Google Slides. This process is straightforward and accessible, and by following these steps, you will create a professional-looking brochure in no time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. If you are using Google Chrome, look for the Google Apps icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon looks like a grid made up of small squares. Clicking on it will reveal a menu with various Google services. This step is important because it helps you access Google Slides quickly, ensuring you are on the right track to create your brochure. Next up, click on the Slides option from the menu that appears. This selection will direct you to the Google Slides interface. If you are logged into your Google account on your personal device, this should happen seamlessly. You will see a variety of presentation templates and options to create new slides. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your brochure, allowing you to utilize Google Slides' powerful design tools. Now, open a blank presentation in Google Slides. You should see a blank slide with a simple layout. This is where your creativity will come to life. Starting with a blank presentation gives you the freedom to design your brochure from scratch without any distractions. It's a clean slate where you can build your ideas. After that, click on File in the top menu bar. Then select Page Setup. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to adjust the dimensions of your slide. This is an essential step because the dimensions will determine how your brochure will be printed and folded. Proper sizing is key to ensuring that your brochure looks professional and fits well when completed. Next, click the drop-down menu and change it from Widescreen 16:9 to Custom. This will allow you to enter specific dimensions for your brochure. Choosing a custom size is important because it tailors your project to fit the standard brochure dimensions, ensuring everything aligns properly when printed. Set the dimensions to 11 x 8.5 inches, which is the standard US letter size in landscape orientation, and click Apply. This configuration is essential for creating a brochure that folds correctly. By setting these dimensions, you ensure that your design will fit neatly into the physical format when printed. At this point, click on View and ensure Show Ruler and Show Guides are both turned on. The ruler and guides will help you align your content accurately. Visual aids like these are important because they prevent your text and images from appearing misaligned, giving your brochure a polished look. Now, click View, then Guides, and select Add Vertical Guide. This action will help you create a layout for your panels. Vertical guides are crucial for maintaining symmetry in your brochure, ensuring that everything is evenly spaced and visually appealing. Next, drag the first vertical guide line to the 3.6-inch mark on the top ruler. This will create your first panel. Adjusting the guides in this way is vital because it establishes a clear structure for your brochure content, allowing you to organize your information effectively. Add a second vertical guide and drag it to the 7.3-inch mark on the top ruler. This will create a second panel for your brochure. By setting these guidelines, you ensure that your design remains balanced and that each section has adequate space for text and images. Now, click Insert, then Text Box, and draw a box inside your first column panel. This box is where you will place your text. Creating text boxes in each column is critical because it helps you format your content neatly within the defined spaces, enhancing readability and visual appeal. Leave a small 0.25-inch gap of empty space on both sides of your vertical guidelines. This precaution is important to ensure that your text does not get cut off when the paper is physically folded. Such details make a significant difference in the final appearance of your brochure. Once your first column box is perfectly sized, copy it using Ctrl+C or Command+C and paste it into the other panels using Ctrl+V or Command+V. This step is vital for maintaining a uniform text layout across your brochure. Consistency in design contributes to a more professional look. Finally, add text, images, and other content as needed. This is where you can personalize your brochure with relevant information and visuals. This step is key to creating an engaging and informative brochure that effectively communicates your message. With these steps, you are now equipped to create a stunning brochure using Google Slides. Enjoy the process of designing, and remember, your creativity is your only limit.